Hello, welcome to LV Toys. We are joining Andrea here at her park performance. Doesn't appear to be anyone in the audience though, but that never puts Andrea off. She is never shy of doing a performance. Hi, wave to Andrea. She's very pleased to be here. So she's going to get up on the stage and she's getting ready to play her piece, but we are heading back into time, everybody, back to when Andrea was a teeny tiny little Andrea when she was a toddler. Hi, little Andrea. Oh, she's jumping on the park bench. Okay. Oh, and she's running away. She's looking for her house, and sadly Andrea doesn't actually have a house properly built by Lego yet. Oh, she's so sad. But that's okay, little Andrea. Here's your little penguin friend. This is Pengy, and she can't actually hold Pengy. Hold on, let me go and find a little adapter for that. So we use a stud and one of those little hair accessory holder things, and that means she can now hold Pengy. Okay, little Andrea, we are going to make you a toddler bedroom, perfect for you and all of the things that you love to do. So first up, let's see. Let's choose how big we're going to make this. Actually, I might just keep expanding as we go along because that's how I tend to roll. So this is where we're going to start. This is going to be the length of her bedroom, and we're going to put a nice line of fuchsia pink or magenta or whatever color you call this, pink, dark pink, along the bottom. It's going to be like stripy wallpaper, kind of, sort of. And then, Actually, we're going to just move these around a bit. It's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle to try and fit the pieces that I have in where they all go. And white then along the top, and here over where her bed's going to be, she's got some stars on the wall because, future star, ta-da! So, little stars. And then we're going to add some nice big windows because every bedroom needs some windows. And this one here with the curtains actually comes from Stephanie's Beach House, the junior set. So that's a cool one to put in here. Nice yellow for Andrea because her colours are orangey yellow. So yellow is good, yellow and pink. And over here on this wall, we're going to we're going to add a hinge first because I'm going to put a little extension on later. It's very exciting. And we're going to add a lighter pink wall to offset the stars on the other side. If I had have had enough blue pieces, I would have done blue, but pink will do too. And I'm going to put a cloud on here. So we've got stars and we've got a cloud in her room. So it's just beautiful, it's so peaceful. It's already taking fantastic shape, and she's got really pretty curtains there on that window. Okay, for a bed, I decided that Andrea was going to need something really, really cute. And what is cuter than a duck bed? So I'm going to make her a duck bed. And this is actually an adaptation of the little bumper car from the Unikitty set. So that was nice and easy. I just kind of took that and pulled it apart and changed it around a bit to turn it into a bed. So you might recognize it from that. But it does look significantly different because it doesn't have any wheels on it anymore. And we needed to kit it out on the inside. Here's the front of it. Isn't that cute with the big eyes and the tongue sticking out? Had to kit out the inside to make it nice and comfy for a bed for a toddler. So I think this is enough space. Let's see. What? Kind of comfy. Her hair's quite big, so she doesn't really sit down very flat on that. But it's going to be such a cozy little bed. We need some teeny tiny wings to stick out the side. I want a little duck bed. So adorable. Matching one on the other side. And then that's pretty much the right form and shape. So now we just need some more little feathers to go out this way. And then we'll round it off over the top, or sorry, over the back, over the top of the back, and that's the part that'll go against the wall. So isn't that cute? It kind of looks like a duck plane. So she can pretend she's flying in a duck. And over here is a little place where she can put Pengy. Oh, look, see? Plengy, Pengy, Plengy. Plengy's got his own platform. Plengy, Pengy. Let's go and put this bed in the bedroom under her star wall. We'll squish it down onto the base plate. And now Andrea's got the cutest little duck bed. Here we go. Pengy can hop back on there. That's adorable. All right, so she looks pretty chuffed about that. So we will continue along here along the top. We're going to use the dark blue, and in this space here. Now, Andrea's going to love dressing up. You know that. So she could have this little flower as a costume. But I actually have another idea for this. Let's put Andrea's hair back on, little Andrea's hair back on, and let's turn this flower into a light. So this can be an overhanging light. There's the yellow part for the light on the inside. So I'll figure out a way to actually suspend this over her bed with this little bit here. And we're just going to need a hook on the wall. So let's see whether if we put it in here, whether it's going to be in the right spot. Actually, we might turn it up the other way so it hangs down a little bit lower. Oh, this is good, look at that. So we can actually swivel it in and out to angle it directly over the bed. That's so cute. Now she's got a little flower light hanging over her duck bed with all of the stars. So cute. All right, the bed is ready. Now, what else are we going to need in Andrea's bedroom? Well, little Andrea has got some ideas about that. She's running off to get some things that she wants me to make something special for. Here are her dolls. Andrea loves her dolls. These ones are quite big. These ones are not Lego dolls. They're the little Secrets Shopkins Lockets dolls, but they're perfect size for little Lego friends, and they're kind of like American Doll size for these girls. So we're going to build a doll's house for them. So let's see. It's going to be quite a big doll's house to try and fit them into. So down here we're going to have, this is going to be the bottom level, and this is going to be a little seat. Might look a bit pointy at the moment, but it'll all work in a minute, you'll see. And then on the next level, we are going to, now hold on, let me think. We don't want this level to be too high, or it's going to actually stick up over the top of the bedroom wall, and I don't want that to happen. So let me see. Might take this off there. No, that's not right. That's still not right. So let's separate these two little 4 pieces, and one's going to go on the top to hold those 2 pieces together, and one's going to go down here. That's it. That's perfect. And now we can put a little bed in. Just a nice teeny tiny bed that looks comfy for her little dolls. And that's going to be up here on the second level of the doll's house. And to get up to the second level of the doll's house, we're going to put a ladder in, because there's not really, this will kind of be like the staircase ladder. Doesn't that look cute? And now we just need a roof. Put a little mint green roof up here. And I don't think this will be too tall. We'll just smooth this over, and that'll also help hold those roof pieces on there nice and securely. Look at the doll's house. Isn't it just adorable? It's going to be the perfect size for her version of the AG dolls. Let's put this little one in down the bottom. Let's sit you down here in the chair. See, I told you that would work perfectly. And look how big it is compared to little Andrea. That is a big doll's house. All right, let's go and install it over here in the corner with the cloud. It's gonna look so good over here in the corner. That's really good. And I'll just press it down a bit more. And we might actually extend the grass out the front a bit. A nice big rounded curve of grass out the front for the play area. Now it looks like a complete home for the dolls. And maybe, of course, we're going to need a little bit of foliage in the garden. So a few flowers or plants over here. And then maybe a palm tree over in this corner here. Isn't that the cutest miniature palm tree ever? And we're going to put a pool in the yard here. I still can't decide where I want to put that palm tree. I think there'll do. No, here. Perfect. But the pool will also double as a little seat for Andrea. No, don't jump in the pool. It's for sitting on as well. So it's kind of, sometimes it can be a pool, or sometimes it can be a seat if Andrea wants to play really close into the house. That's so cute. Okay, over here, Andrea is going to be a performer in her future, right? So she needs a keyboard, but we want a toddler version of the keyboard in bright colors. So we've got a pink keyboard with yellow keys, and actually no, it's the other way around. Yellow keys with pink, no, hold on, I don't know. And we're going to put lots and lots of little colorful buttons on it, so you can press it and make lots of funny sounds. So lots of colorful buttons. This is gonna make the most horrible, it'll have the worst speakers in it ever. It'll make lots and lots of noise, but she'll love it. And of course she's gonna need a microphone that's going to sound terrible as well, because toddler keyboards and microphones sound horrible. Kids love them, so that's all that matters. Let's go and install her cute little keyboard. It's so colourful. I want to put it on an angle, and to do that, I'm going to need to put some extra pieces in here. So a smooth one here, and a piece over here with a little jumper stud on it so that I can put one foot on that, hold it in place, and I can angle it over. There we go. That fills the space really nicely. And now she just needs a cushion to sit on. Let's try this out. So she could come, she's so excited. She could play it standing up, or she can sit down and really get into the groove. Make lots of noise. Toddler keyboards. So loud. All right, let's continue along the top here. Putting our dark blue up here. In fact, I'm going to change these ones out because I want to put some little pennants up here, some little hanging flags for decoration. And these actually came out of Anna's Arendelle castle from the Lego Frozen sets, and they look so pretty here in Andrea's little toddler bedroom. It's looking really good. All right, but I still want to put more in here. It's actually looking filled up, so we're going to extend. But before we extend, let's smooth over the top of this main part of the bedroom with some orange pieces just to tie all her colours in together. And it looks so cheerful, and I love that doll's house. I don't know what my favourite part is yet. Actually, maybe we are about to build my favourite part, because Andrea, can you go and get all the rest of your stuff, please? Can you show the people everything else we need to fit in this room? Yep. Okay, so she has got a lot of dress-up costumes because, of course, she loves to dress up. She loves to perform. So she's got her bunny costume, and she's got her elephant costume, like those big gigantic heads, and a penguin costume for when she and Pengy want to hang out together. A couple of fairy wings, a whole heap of massive bows, and a pink crown, and a wand. So lots of things. Hold on, where's she gone? Oh, and don't come back here. Why do you have a lipstick? Toddlers should not have lipsticks. Oh, you took that from your mother's room. You really want to try out the lipstick? Well, I tell you what, we'll just put it down here for now, and we'll see if we can maybe return it to your mum's room later. Let's try on some of these costumes. Oh, the bunnies are so cute. You're hopping around. What about the elephant one? What about the elephant one? Let's put that on. She go roar, roar, like a little toddler elephant. Did toddler elephants make different sounds to big elephants? And penguin. Hold on, I don't know what sound a penguin makes. What sound does a penguin make? Anyway, she's obviously making those sounds with Pengy while they're hanging out together. And we'll put her normal hair back on again, and we'll try out some of these bows. They are just massive. They might be kind of Jojo Siwa inspired. No, I think they're more Minnie Mouse inspired, and she just loves big, big bows. Can't decide which one's her favourite, so she likes to try them all on. And the butterfly wings go with the bows too. Totally. Absolutely, totally. Right, okay, now we've tried them all on. Now we need to find some storage for these. So we're going to add an extra room, a dressing room, onto her bedroom, and we can spin it out of the way if we want to. Okay, so dressing room, toddler dressing room for dress-ups. I love this idea. I think every toddler would love a complete room full of dress-ups. I know I would have. Not just a cupboard or a box with them all shoved in. All right, so what else are we going to need? We're going to need a mirror so she can check it out. It has to be down at little Andrea's height, so I think that's going to be just the right height. And we're going to put not normal lights on, we're going to put a whole heap of colourful lights on because, hello, toddler room, lots and lots and lots and lots of colours. So all these little colourful lights. That's going to make it so shiny in here. And oh, hold on, I've just exploded that. Let's fix that. There we go. And on here is going to be her bow of the moment. The favourite bow for today is the pink one with the spots. Yeah, and look, oh yes, she's just the perfect height. That is the perfect height for little Andrea. All right, okay, hop out of the way though, little Andrea, because we are still going. Let's find some walls for this, and maybe a few more windows for lighting. I'm going to leave a space between them for a stand or to store some more of this stuff. Okay, first up, let's make a stand for the fairy wings, and the fairy wings are going to hang off the wall like this. So that lipstick's getting away. We're going to hang them here, and this way we can easily take them on and off. Another one up a little bit higher. So they are going to go on the wall. Look at that, that's so neat and so colourful. I bet it doesn't stay this neat for very long. And we need to display and store all her little animal head costumes. So these little stands, hold on, that's the wrong way around. These little stands are exactly the same as the ones that go in her Grown Up Andrea accessory store, but they look super duper cute now with animal heads displayed on them. We're going to put these around her dressing room. Actually, it's going to get pretty cluttered in there. Let's put the bunny head up here. Don't they look just adorable when they're all side by side? And we put a little one, so one down a little bit lower, so that we can just fit them in a little bit better for the penguin head. Okay, now we have to go and see how we're going to fit all these into the dress-up room. Come on, let's move everything out of the way and let's put these in. So, we'll put the elephant head in. Oh, that's going to be... Yeah, that's okay. That's too close to the wings. So let's move that out a little bit. Oh, I've knocked everything off. It's all right. Nice and easy to tidy up again. That's when you got a place for everything. It's always so much easier to tidy up. And we'll put... Actually, I might just move it in even a little bit further. That's good. So it's in front of... I like the way it actually reflects in the mirror. That's so cute. And we'll put the bunny ears over here, because they're the tallest, so they're going to look really cute over here. And we'll put the penguin head down in between the two of them. There's a perfect space down there for the penguin head. That looks so lovely. I love all the colours. All right, what else do we have still to store in here? We're not finished yet, little Andrea. We're not finished yet at all. So we've got her mother's lipstick and we've got all the bows. So let's make a box to put all of these in, and we might actually hide her mum's lipstick down the bottom of the box. Yeah, let's put this right down the bottom. And we'll put all the bows, and the fairy wand's not going to really fit in there. Might have to make a little stand for the fairy wand. Okay, that lipstick ended up on the top of the box. That was not intended. We want to get that out of her sight so she forgets about it. Where shall we put this fairy wand? Maybe here? It's kind of a bit cluttered there. We could put it over there, but that's not... I suppose we could put it there because when it's open that room's all in together. I can't really decide. We'll leave it there for now, and let's go and put the box over here on the end, and there it is. It's all complete. Oh, it's so exciting. It's so cute. And oh, she's noticed the lipstick. Oh no. Oh, toddlers only just make a mess with lipstick and she's run off. Great. Okay, so let's finish up this room while we... Well, I have no idea what little Andrea is up to. I don't want to know. Making a mess somewhere, I suppose. And we'll finish up the top of the room and then we'll find out what she's been doing. I'm afraid. But it looks just adorable. I love the doll's house. I love the dress up. I love everything. What's your favourite part of Andrea's bedroom? I just can't decide. Little Andrea has got the best bedroom in the world. It's so cute. There she goes. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Well, I haven't seen any lipstick on anything, so that seems to be okay. All right. Okay, so she has got so many things she can do in this bedroom. She can rock out on her toddler keyboard. She can play with all of her dolls in the doll's house. Goodness, she's got so many. But the best part is when her friends come over to play, especially when little Emma comes over and gifts her, or re-gifts her, this Malibu Stacy doll. She's so excited to get a new doll. Let's open it up. It's perfect. It's going to go in with the rest of her collection of dolls. They are so excited, and Emma's really excited this doll's finally found a home where it will be truly loved. So now they're going to play dolls for a little while. And after they finish playing dolls for a little while, uh-oh, hold on. No, don't do that. Don't do that to Emma's face. Oh, no. Oh, Emma. Oh, little Emma. Oh, I'm so sorry. She doesn't seem to mind. It seems to wash off okay, because now they are all dressed up. She is a fairy bunny, and she's flying, and she's jumping, and Andrea's flying, and they are, well, they're off. My goodness. You can't stop little toddlers and their imagination. They are having the best time. Now, I have only got Olivia's toddler bedroom still to go. So what do you think Olivia needs in her bedroom? Make sure you tell me in the comments, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get told when new videos go up. Well, I hope you get told. I really hope you get told. And I'll see you with a new video very, very soon. Bye!